My name is Edith Aura of Medi Wellness. I am a prenatal educator and a wellness coach. Are you an expectant mom during this COVID-19 pandemic? Don't be afraid. Kindly listen into the following. As we know, globally, COVID-19 has taken most of us by surprise. And daily, the scientific researchers are busy trying to piece up all they can. There isn't enough research on COVID-19 and pregnancy. However, by today, 17th March 2020, we know that all the babies that were born in Wuhan, China are doing well. And that is encouraging. Now, I have 20 best tips for all of you expectant moms. 1. Be safe. When you're safe as a mom, your unborn baby is also safe. 2. Be hygienic. In ordinary times, moms are always encouraged to be hygienic. However, in COVID-19 coronavirus, we recommend increased hygienic practices as follows. Frequent hand washing with soap and plenty of clean water for at least 20 to 30 seconds. Keep your environment clean. The virus survives up to 8 to 10 hours on surfaces. C. Sneeze or cough into your flexed arm or into tissue papers. Flush down the used tissue papers or dispose them safely. Avoid touching your eyes, nose and mouth with unclean hands as much as possible. E. Keep your house clean and well ventilated. Avoid dust and dampness in your house. 3. Get prompt treatment of any illnesses, especially colds and flus. And remember to take all your prescribed medication as you've been told. 4. Continue with your scheduled prenatal checkups. These are important because you still need to know how your baby is doing. 5. Keep healthy communication with your unborn baby as usual. Talk and sing to your baby. Listen in to favorite music together. 6. Be calm because if you're stressed, your baby will be fearful and stressed. 7. If you are 30 weeks and above, know that your baby can identify your voice and remembers it up to 4 months postnatally. So kindly stay calm and speak calmly to your unborn baby. Number 8. Be more restful. In this lockdown, take your time resting. 9. Prepare your baby shopping. Don't overbuy, but don't depend on surprise baby showers. In case we go into a total lockdown, no surprise baby showers will come your way. So, be wise. Number 10. Keep money electronically. In case of lockdown, online shopping and deliveries will still work for you. 11. Shop for affordable, clean and well-staffed delivery hospital that is nearest to you. Look at their safety precaution measures. And also remember to have a second and third choice of hospital. Number 12. Plan the mode of transport for your delivery day in advance. Know the vehicle, know the payments well in advance. 13. Be healthy. Eat a balanced diet. Eat a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables while they are available. 14. Cook food thoroughly, especially the meats. Number 15. Be hydrated. Take a lot of clean water, at least around 2 liters daily. Don't overhydrate yourself. Number 16. Avoid unnecessary travel and personal contact in groups. 17. Don't panic. Have faith that you and baby will be safe. 18. If you must use masks, it must be of good quality. At least like the 3-layer surgical masks. 19. Be safe. Be calm. And remember that this too will pass. 20. Love yourself. Love your unborn child. love your maker, love your family. Thank you for listening. Medi Wellness cares for your family.